Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to find Threads profile link. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. First of all, let's open our Threads application. You want to make sure that you go to your profile. The next step is to tap on the Share Profile button, which is right next to this Edit Profile button. When we click on that, it's going to open our sharing menu. In order to get our Threads link, we simply need to find the Copy button. Then click on it. Now we have our Threads profile link in the clipboard. When I paste this link in Safari, you can see that it opens our specific threads. Profile, which is just what we need. Now you can add this link to Snapchat, TikTok, and other places where you can simply share it with a friend if you want them to follow you. That's it. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.